Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's break things down. For the first 4 counts, we're going to be walking onto the dance floor. Notice leader, you should be on the left side and the followers on the right side. So we go walk, 2, 3, 4. Good. On count 5, leader, you're going to be rotating your partner towards you with your right hand, drawing a circle counterclockwise, and we'll get into a shadow position like this. So notice in the shadow position, follower, you're still on the right side. Our right hands are connected above our shoulder, left hands are connected out to the side. Okay, so let's take a look one more time from the count 5. So we are holding hands here. Leader, just draw a circle on count 5, follower turn, 6, and then we are in the dance position on 7 and 8. Let's take a look at the follower's footwork too. So follower, you're going to start with your left foot, taking a step towards your partner, left, right, left. Good. And then at the end, make sure you have your weight on your left foot so that your right foot is free to go to the next thing. Okay. So now we're in a shadow position. On the next set of 8, we're going to be walking in a circle. So leader, you'll be starting with your left foot. Follower, you're going to start with your right foot. So we go step, 2, 3, tap, and step, 2, 3, tap. Beautiful. Now notice leader, you should be staying in place. All you're doing is step, 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 tap, and step, 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 tap. Follower, you'll be taking slightly bigger steps to go around in a circle counterclockwise. And it's very similar to the basic step where we're going to do later in the dance. But for the follower, you're starting with the right foot, going right, tap, and left, right, left, tap. We'll do this one more time for you. We go and step, 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 tap, step, 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 tap. Great. So now on the next set of 8, leader, you're going to bring your partner's left hand high, draw a circle clockwise, and then we'll switch hand at the end right here, and then we'll get into the side-by-side position.